Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm at Sarojini Nagar today and I'm very excited to shop. So come on, let's get started with this. Guys, I entered the market from gate number 3. As soon as I entered the market, on the right hand side I saw this shop which had these amazing tops, which on asking he said were for rupees 350, but he was ready to give it for rupees 200. There were these night suits which were priced at 500, but again negotiable to about 300. They had these nice track suits as well. And there were these amazing sweaters and they were all priced between 150 to 300. They had some really nice overcoats too, and again they said that it was priced between 200 to 600, but if you are a good bargainer then you can really bargain on the prices. Then I saw these amazing skirts, these amazing pants, which again on asking he said were for rupees 450, but he was ready to bargain and you could bring it down to rupees 200. I saw these amazing chappals, these little small heeled sandals as well, and these all were priced between 150 to 350. There were a lot of these guys standing on these racks of rupees 100 and they had some amazing denim shirts. This shop is exclusively for bags and all these bags were for rupees 200. The shop had really nice high necks, lot of overcoats, and also there was a rack of rupees 200 where you got these really beautiful skirts. There were very nice prints and colors in them and they were georgette. Then this shop had these Zara t-shirts in almost every color. They are really nice for summers, and yes, as you can see, it had a tag of Zara as well. Okay, so these nice furry coats were priced between 600 to 1500 rupees. Again, negotiable. The market was full of overcoats, and again these racks of rupees 100, 150, 50, 60, 80. There were lots of these racks in the market. There were these nice summer tops, crochet tops in lots of colors. And as you can see, these skirts were also really nice and priced between 150 to 300 rupees. This lane on the left side of incense is full of overcoats and they all are priced between 200 to 500, and you can actually get a good deal if you bargain well. Okay, so right outside the mandir in the market, there was this shop where you get nice party tops and they all are priced between 150 to 300 rupees. Just in front of the mandir, right opposite, there was this shop where this guy was selling leather boots, really nice quality leather boots, and the ankle boots were for rupees 1700 and high boots were for rupees 2500. There were these bathrobes as well for rupees 150. Then again, this shop is exclusively for boots. Again, they are priced between 1500 to 3000 rupees depending upon the quality and the sizes of the boots. There are a lot of shades in the market and there are nice styles, and you actually get some good quality shades as well. And they all are priced between 100 to 300 rupees. There are a lot of these racks for rupees 100. I saw these nice dresses, but I think they were really overpriced for rupees 1200, and these skirts were for rupees 350, but again bargainable to rupees 250. Again, these really nice sweaters and sweatshirts for rupees 100 on the racks. I checked quite a few and I didn't really find too many defects in them. So I guess they were just selling it out because the season is also running out now. Again, I saw lots and lots of these t-shirts and they all were priced for rupees 150 and they all had Zara tags on them. Again, racks of these pants and pajamas flooded for rupees 100. There were sweatshirts for men for 250 as well, and lot of these sweaters for rupees 80 on the racks. You get lots of shoes in the market as well, and as you can see, they're quite a good deal for rupees 350. There are nice spaghetti tops, velvety tops, chiffon tops, all for rupees 100. There were jeans for 100 rupees too, but the only thing with the jeans was that the length was not too long. So if you're a medium height, then it's a great deal for you. Again, these chiffon tops, these synthetic tops are for rupees 100, but with most of them you need to wear an inner as well. Again, this whole lane was full of denims for rupees 200, 100, 150, but again the catch was the length. So if you're a medium heighted person, like say a 5'5" or a 5'6", then these jeans are pretty good for you. They're pretty good quality and there are lots and lots of styles in them as well. The ones on the lower rack are for rupees 150 and the ones on these upper racks are all for rupees 200. There are lots and lots of shades, lots of colors, lots of styles. So you can actually get shades for 100 rupees as well. Lot of earrings in the market and lots of these guys were sitting with earrings for only for rupees 20 and rupees 30, and there were some amazing designs in them too. On my way out, I saw these racks for 200 rupees. There were these jackets. There are a lot of these bags, but they are not really good quality bags. On my way out from gate number 3, I saw these amazing overcoats. The one on the floor are for rupees 100 and the ones on the top are between 200 to 350. And they are really, really good quality. So guys, with this I come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.